Hi, my name's Pete.
Hi, my name's Nigel.
I'm the Chief Instructor for Damerels Motorcycles.
And I'm one of the instructors here at Damerels. So I instruct the CBT and I'm also a DAS instructor.
You hear me okay on the radio as well? You hear me okay?
We pride ourselves in delivering high quality training at all levels, from CBT, test training and post-test training.
The two customers you're going to see now are customers that have passed their Module 1, their full DAS course, and they're now just training for the Module 2, taking their test later on today. Damerels is the longest established training school in Cornwall for motorcycles. We have everything here on site. We have our own training school, our training pad. There's a cafe here. And we also have excellent IT facilities in our training office.